Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome routine that's gonna help you relieve shoulder pain and help you fix your posture. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Alrighty, first exercise, we are starting with some shoulder rolls, all right? Simple yet powerful. 30 seconds one way, we're gonna go backwards. All right, up, over, really exaggerate those movements, all right? Keep your head up, try not to be in here. Open up your chest, all right? Very good, good posture here. And you can use your arms as well, all right? You can exaggerate it this way. They don't have to be close here and just go like that. No, go ahead, loosen up. Very good. Breathing, nice straight back. All right, it's all connected, your spine, your shoulders. So it's very important to have a nice, good posture here. Very good, loosen them up. And 3, 2, 1, and other way, forward. All right, one way might feel a little bit more awkward than the other, but that's okay. You're still gonna reap amazing benefits here. Breathing. Very good. You can go slow, a little bit slower if you'd like. All right, do what feels good. Listen to your body. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, shake it out. Very good. Next, we have some air angels. All right, I want your feet together for this one, palms facing forward. All right, we're gonna go up. All right, up, open. All right, opening and stretching here without opening up your rib cage. All right, so I feel benefit just going like this. All right, feel here, my shoulders squeezing together. Make sure you're not opening up your rib cage. All right, tuck it in. Very good. Coming all the way down. You can even come behind your arms if that feels good before you come back. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Next, we have some bent over IYTs. All right, I'm gonna show you standing first. 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna go I, Y, T. All right, but bent over, hip at the hinge, hip at the hinge, hinge at the hips. All right, nice straight back. I, Y, T. All right, up, angled, and then to the sides. Very good. This is stretching and strengthening your shoulders. Also really great for your back muscles and a little bra bulge right here. All right, I love, 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 love this exercise. Breathing, nice tight core. All right, don't let it hang loose. Suck it in, straight spine. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, down and up. Very good. Next, we have a W squeeze, hands out to the side. All right, and then we're coming to a W shape. All right, elbows are towards your hips, squeezing your shoulder blades together. All right, even holding it here for a little bit, and then release and repeat. Very good. But remember, we're not opening up our rib cage. Boom, lock it in. Awesome job. Nice, elegant neck. All right, chin is up. Nice tight core here. Little bend in the knees. Blood flow throughout the body. And there we go. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. Very good. Last but not least, we're gonna end it with a nice reverse shoulder stretch, also known as a chest opener, all right? So clasping your hands behind you, all right? Elbows bent to start, and then we're gonna straighten those elbows, nice straight arms. All right, if this is enough for you, go ahead, stay here. If you can, go ahead and lift your hands away from your body, all right? As long as those arms stay nice and straight, all right? Chin is up, and again, we're not popping out like this. Boom, lock it in. Tucking in the belly and the butt. All right, bending the knees is gonna help you with that a little bit. And there we have it, just enjoy. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good, set 1 done. Going right into set 2, starting with our shoulder rolls, 30 seconds one way. Let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, other way. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Air angels, let's go. Move with intention. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Bent over IYT, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up we go. Shake it out, very good. W squeeze, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, hold, and release, very good. Hands behind your back, clasp, and stretch. Reverse shoulder stretch. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, and set 2, done and dusted. One more to go. Starting with our shoulder rolls, 30 seconds one way. Let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, other way. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Air angels, let's go. Move with intention. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Bent over IYT. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Up we go. Shake it out. Very good. W squeeze. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, hold, and release. Very good. Hands behind your back, clasp, and stretch. Reverse shoulder stretch. And 3, 2, 1, gently release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of our pain be gone, better posture, shoulder routine. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what videos you would like to see more of. Are you new here on our channel? How long have you been a svelter? And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.